To fix the RBC mobile app when it's not working, first ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this is required for the app to function properly. If your connection is unstable, try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa. If the issue persists, check the App Store for updates to the RBC mobile app, as an outdated version can restrict features and cause malfunctions. Updating the app to the latest version may resolve the issue. If the problem remains, try offloading the app through your device's settings, under General and iPhone storage. Then reinstall it. In most cases, this will solve the problem. However, if the issue continues, deleting the app entirely and then re-downloading it from the App Store may be necessary. These steps should help resolve the RBC mobile app not working.